Yeah, what's up guys? 8:30 in the evening. We're back to the beach. First signal is Apple Tub. You come early. Hunter CJ is there. The low tone. Another pull tab. Already have pull tab. A big iron. Solid 65. I hope this is something good. Shallow. Oh ho! Yes, something good. 10 peso coin, 2 pull tab, 1 iron, and 1 coin. Yay! Second coin, 5 peso. Aluminum. Yay! Coin. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Wow! There's no scratch. I love it. Nice glasses. Looks nice. Oh, ho, ho. Something. Oh, look at the guys. Aha! I think this is like hardware airing. I think there's a marking, guys. Yes, let's check it later. Think this is something good. Something good. Right. Another pull tab. Yay! 5 peso coin. Yay! 5 peso iron. Another one here. Oh, 20. Nice. Oh, it's there. I can see it now. Catch you. Catch you. Very small. It's gold earring, guys. It's gold earring. Nice heart. Nice one. Iron signal. I think it's a coin. Yay! A double coin. That's why I did not throw the sand. 10 and 5. Nice. Yay! Another one. 20 pesos in one hole. Ah, haha. Copper, nickel, coin. Thank you. Oh, ho! Found a ring, guys. A ring, ring, ring. A ring, ring, ring. And it's goldy, goldy, goldy. Ring, ring, ring. I hope this is real. Looks good. A nice night hand. Woohoo! Fire dancers. $66 in the scope. Oh, another ring, 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 ring. Found a second ring, guys, and there's marking inside. I think this is silver. Yay! 2 rings, 2 earrings. Nice! I love it. Ah, 52 is 18 karat or a pull top. Ah ha ha. 5 piso battle top. Piso. $12.09. Let's go home. Welcome to the wrap up, guys. As you can see, I dug 24 pieces of grass versus 26 pieces of treasure. Alright. Found only 99 pieces of spendable coins. Found a pair of sunglasses, a beautiful earring, yeah, golden earring with diamonds, but this is only gold plated brass. And this little ring is very golden also, but this is gold plated copper. This one is letter J. I can see a copper. And this one, I was hoping this to be a gold, but this is only a gold plated stainless. And I found this one. This is marked 925 silver. So this could be the find of the day. I don't find gold, but at least we try again. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will be notified if I have a new video. Happy hunt, everyone.